Good afternoon. Hope you're having a nice Easter bank holiday weekend. This vlog is going to be going out Saturday, but I'm actually filming it on Thursday before Good Friday, so the weekend's just about to begin. I've been trying to get this vlog out for a while, really, probably about 2 weeks now, but it was a bit of a nightmare kind of vlogging it, really. It happened about 2 weeks ago, just as the beast from the east kind of returned, and we got quite a bit of snow on Dartmoor again. Quite a bit of snow in the southwest all over, really. I wanted to get back up to a tour that I've shot at before, which is Great Staple Tor, which is my favourite one on Dartmoor. I wanted to try and get up there to see what it'd be like in the snow. It was a bit of a nightmare getting up there, to be honest. It was a bit of a mission. I explain it a bit at the end of the video. But basically, it wasn't the easiest thing to get up there. When I got up there, it was very, very windy. One of the windiest times I've been there, and because it was so busy as well, there's about, say, 8 or 10 different photographers up there. I didn't really want to do much vlogging of it. The reason is because I would have had to have my mic, external mic under the coat, and with that I generally tend to have to shout so you can hear it through the material. You end up getting quite bad audio quality from that anyway, but it does generally work. But because I was kind of lined up with a lot of the other photographers up there, kind of all behind a rock, kind of sheltering, I didn't really want to start shouting next to them and look like the crazy member of the group. So I didn't really do any vlogging up there. I got a bit of drone footage. It wasn't the best, it didn't fly very well. It went really well in one direction and was really bad the other direction, just because the headwind it was against was so strong. But I think it works quite well. I'm still going to put it up, mainly because I'm really happy with how the black and white panoramic shot came out. The other reason I wanted to kind of do this little chat before the video, I'm probably kind of going on a bit, but I want to say thank you for all the subscribers the channel's had. I started roughly about 8 months ago now. Kind of started when I went up to Scotland, up in the camper van, and just kind of documented some of the stuff I did there, and the channel's grown quite well. I'm really, really pleased all the people that have kind of subscribed. I never thought I'd have people wanting to kind of listen to me rabbit on about stuff when I'm out and about. So just again, thanks for subscribing, and yeah, it's amazing that people actually do want to watch the content I put up. I kind of do vlogging, not necessarily just to document me going out photographing stuff, because I think there's a lot of other great photographers out there you probably learn more from than me. But the reason I do it is I like showing off the areas I go to. I like kind of, exploring places and sharing some of that with you. So it's great that you kind of come along and watch me as I do it. So thanks again for that. I'll stop rabbiting on now, put the vlog up, and hope you enjoy it. Good evening, this is Great Staple Tor and I am flipping freezing. Here it is. I'm not going to do too much vlogging up here, there's just too many people. There's about 10 other photographers up here with me. My phone is extremely cold as well, the screen's flicking on it now as I do this, and I think the battery's probably going to last about 10 minutes if that, even though it's almost fully charged. It does not get on with the cold well. This is my favourite tour on Dartmoor. Really like it, I love the composition, there's so many of them up here. It's so cold and windy, I'm kind of limited to what I can do with it today really. So I'm going to be doing some shots here quickly with this kind of frozen tiny lake in the foreground, and kind of more some classic shots around the corner there, which are ones I've done in the past. We're about half an hour away from sunset now. There's a lot of snow up here. Well, when I say a lot, there was a lot of it's melted now, but there's just a bit of dusting to give it a bit more interest. I can't see the screen at all now, it's gone totally black. So this phone does not get on with the cold at all. Yeah, should work out quite nicely. Sorry I can't show off the scene a bit more, the area a bit better. It's just so windy, so cold, my hand's going numb already. So all I'm going to do is, I have got a bit of drone footage, even though it was a bit difficult to fly the drone with the wind. It was very difficult, so you're going to have to rely on that to kind of check out the area. This is going to be a bit of a slideshow, this one. It's going to be a bit of the area, some images from here I've taken the day and probably before, and I'll put up kind of the previous images so you know which ones are which. Going to be doing some panoramic shots today, doing a nice sweep to capture this rock here, which you can't see very well, my hand's too numb to operate the gimbal. Kind of behind this rock here, looking kind of into it, and then kind of looking over to this bit here and sweeping around, catching a bit of the sunset and the pink skies as the sun goes down. So that's about all I can do with it really. My hand is kind of going all red now, so it's not the best, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll put the images up, I'll try and get what I can from it. It was an absolute nightmare getting up here as well. I tried coming up via Haytor, the road was shut, going down into Widdicombe, and then I went via a kind of Buckfastleigh Holne way, but that road was also shut because two Defender Land Rovers stuck, so if they're stuck it's pretty bad. I managed to get up another little bypass as well, so a little kind of shortcut. I did manage to get up here, so I did good to get up here really. Going to try and capture this sunset, stick the images up, hope you enjoy them, and I'll catch up with you in the future.